650.
Make it bite you. Does it hurt? Really?
No, I just woke up.
Are you taping this? Yeah. I'm putting it on YouTube.
From 3 to 7,000 miles.
Look at this nice fluffy.
Hey! Hey! I'm gonna make it bite you. Hey!
Yeah, see, isn't that nice?
Hey! Hey! Bad boy!
Nice fluffy blanket.
Fluffy.
And
Hey!
love this.
Hey! Oh yeah! Yeah, come on.
Stop yelling.
I got both of them, delivered
What?
for like $297.
Shake!
My butthole, bro.
Shake! It smells like shake! 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 Shake!
Say boo.
Antonio, can you tone it down a bit?
Ow! I'm playing with the cat here.
Does it hurt?
Shake? No. Shake? Shake? Shake?
Antonio, quiet.
Shake? You want to shake?
Do you have a favorite game you like to play?
Come on. Fist pump. Fist pump. Come on. Fist pump.
It's
Now you
gonna
want.
bite you.
Now you want fist pump. Come on. Fist pump. Fist pump. Come on. Come on.
It's called brain training. To make your brain faster like a young.
Hey. Come on. Shake. 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 Shake.
Is that
What if someone says in here?
ours?
Shake. Shake.
Antonio. Yep, and moms are.
Shaking my head. Oh, jeez. He almost
It's a boy.
He almost bit me. Are you still taping?
Yeah.
Wipe out. Here we go. What happened? Antonio, just play with the toy. Don't torture the cat.
No, she likes playing with
It's
my
a boy.
Antonio, he's trying to bite
Bring
you.
him out. Bring him out. Bring him
Do
out.
what you're doing.